Last week, many parts of Montana saw flash floods, but we weren't alone. The Bighorn Canyon National Recreation Area in Wyoming was also heavily impacted by flash flooding conditions. Now, that flooding forced the closure of the road leading to the area and took out several power lines. Ren Wadsworth traveled to Wyoming to learn what work has been done in order to reopen park roads for visitors.
Days of work and several county, state, and federal agencies collaborated to remove mud, boulders, and driftwood from recreational areas. And still, some echo of the flood remains.
A strong thunderstorm hit Bighorn County in Wyoming Friday evening, leading to flash flooding in the Bighorn Canyon National Recreation Area. The high waters forced a complete evacuation of the area and road below Berry's Landing. At the height of the flooding, Crooked Creek covered Bighorn Canyon Road in rushing water and debris, forcing the road's closure. And after the waters receded, it was noted that the left edge of the road is starting to crumble.
We do have federal highways coming up to inspect the road, but right now we just have the Jersey barriers, and if people can just be careful through that area. And also realize that with any more rain events that we have, more rocks are going to fall onto the road. And so if you get up there before our maintenance folks do or right after a rain, just be careful along the road.
The road and all areas around it were open Saturday night after floodwater had receded. Over the course of the week, county, state, and federal agencies worked together to clear the debris, lifting heavy boulders and trees and scraping the mud from the road, all in an effort to make the area more accessible to visitors. But if guests plan to visit the recreational area this holiday weekend, Fleming says to be aware that there may still be flood debris scattered throughout the path and waterways of the canyon.
If you're coming this weekend, it's going to be amazing 4th of July weekend. Just know that the lake has a ton of driftwood in it. It is chocolate milk colored, and there is a lot of debris. So if you come out on the lake, just be careful for that.
But there's still more work to be done. The flooding also took out 2 power poles that provided electricity to campsites and water systems at Horseshoe Bend that are still in need of repair.
And Bighorn REA estimates that this line will be up and running to bring power and water to the Horseshoe Bend area within the next few days. In Lovell, Ren Wadsworth, Nonstop Local.
And new reports tonight direct from the National Recreation Area show that both power and water was able to be fully restored to all areas of the Bighorn Canyon just a few hours ago.